Here's a beautiful Laetiporus cincinnatus. As you can see, it is a white chicken mushroom. It has white undersides. And this one is fully mature, but it still feels pretty tender. It'd probably be good with a little beer batter on it before it was fried, because it's a little bit on the mature side, but still, like I said, still tender. And here is what is most probably an oak stump. So you don't have to have an actual oak tree standing there for these to appear. This one is a butt rot mushroom, so that means that it's tapping into the roots that are left here from the stump and breaking them down. So as long as there's roots to break down, you can still have the Laetiporus cincinnatus. Now the Laetiporus sulphureus, which is the yellow underneath, has to be directly on wood. Again, this is white underneath. So you wouldn't find a Laetiporus sulphureus tapping into roots. This is the white chicken mushroom. This is Rachel Goclawski, Cooking with Mrs. G. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Etsy, and on YouTube.